other day we had a normal conversation. Now we fighting and he telling me he hates me, telling me I'm nothing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this wig that I purchased from a vendor off AliExpress called Slove Store. This is everything that comes in it. I received the wig, 2 wig caps, actually it was 4 wig caps, there was 2 in each pack, and then some curlers. So this is, like I said, a 12-inch curly bob wig. This is what the wig looks like straight out the package. It has no product whatsoever in it. You're gonna see me pluck it, bleach the knots, and apply it. So first off, I'm gonna start with plucking the hairline. I want this wig to look as natural as possible, so I took about a good hour to hour and 30 minutes plucking it. So in this part, I did not speed up the process because I want you guys to see how slow I am with plucking. I'm not a professional, but it's important that you take your time with it because you want it to come out really nice and neat. It's also important that you don't pluck in one spot because that will help you not over pluck the wig. I don't pluck in one spot, but I move around the hairline, if that makes sense. You're gonna see me do it. And I'm just using some regular old tweezers to do it. This wig was $67. It shipped to me pretty fast. I wasn't expecting it for another 3 weeks because that was the estimated arrival time, but I got this hair in about a week. I ordered 2 wigs. I ordered one for me and one for my mom. I'm gonna give it to her on Mother's Day, and I don't know if I already mentioned, but it was $67, girl. Super affordable. This hair is super soft. I was combing through it with a fine tooth comb and there were no tangles whatsoever. Shedding is, you're gonna get shedding with curly hair. It's normal, so it didn't really bother me, but it wasn't too much to the point where like I couldn't handle it. Also, when you're plucking, it makes it so much easier for the hair to come out if you damp the hair. And you're going to be seeing me going in with my spray bottle just to damp it and get it a little wet so it's easy for the hairs to come out when I pluck them. So this is what the first side looks like, and I'm gonna show you guys what the other side looks like just to compare it. I love how it came out. It looks super natural. This is probably the best plucking job I have ever done on any of my wigs. While I'm plucking, I'm making sure I stop to push the hair back and just check out the hair to see how it's looking, just to make sure I'm not over plucking, to make sure if I need to pluck a little more, if I'm missing a couple spots. So always stop to check your work during the process. This is how much shedding I got. It's normal to experience this much shedding when you pluck your unit, and now I'm going to be showing you guys the outcome. I'm obsessed. I love it. I think it's natural enough for me. I'm definitely probably going to go back in and pluck a little more, knowing myself, because I'm a perfectionist, so I'm going to want it to look, you know, to my likings. Now I'm going to bleach the knots. I used the blue light bleach and a 30 developer, and I mixed it into a thick ass paste, and I'm just putting that underneath the lace. So yeah, like I said, I bought 2 units. This is actually the second unit that I'm bleaching the knots to. I forgot to record myself doing the one that I just plucked, but yeah, I left the bleach on for about 30 minutes. I shampooed it off, and then I conditioned the hair, and now I'm going to be doing the stocking cap method to apply the wig. I'm just using some Got To Be Free spray, and then I'm gonna blow dry it, cut it to my likings, and then apply foundation. The wig adhesive that I am using is the Aisha Lace Glue. You can find it from Janet Collections website. I'm going to do a whole separate video talking all about this glue and giving my honest opinion. Then you guys are going to see me lay everything down with some waxing strips. And then I will do my baby hairs, and I'll show you how I define my curls. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. Let me know your thoughts about it down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and also subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye, loves.
on demand when it's cold as the winter time. You treated me wrong, and I treated you fair. But I ain't gonna try to act like I'm over you now. Talking to myself, wanna know just how you felt. Are you lonely while I'm gone, or did you meet